Understanding the concept of pendulum. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase pendulum. It's a term that has both literal and figurative meanings, and we'll dive deep into both of them to give you a clearer understanding. So let's get started. A pendulum is a weight, often called a bob, which hangs from a fixed point. When it is displaced sideways from its resting equilibrium position, it swings back and forth. This is due to the force of gravity pulling it downwards. You might have seen it in action in some old clocks or even in scientific experiments. Example: grandfather clocks often have a large pendulum that swings back and forth, helping to keep the time. In a figurative sense, the term pendulum can be used to describe something that tends to move back and forth between one extreme and another. It's often used to describe changes in opinion, mood, or circumstances. Example: the public's opinion on certain issues can swing like a pendulum. One moment they might be in favor of a particular idea, and the next moment, they might oppose it. There are several phrases and idioms in the English language that involve the word pendulum. One such phrase is, "The pendulum has swung the other way." This means that the prevailing opinion or trend has reversed direction. Example: a few years ago, minimalist designs were popular, but now, with more ornate and complex designs taking over, it seems the pendulum has swung the other way. And there we have it. The term pendulum, whether used literally or figuratively, refers to something that moves back and forth. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the word and its uses in different contexts. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to evolve and adapt, just like a pendulum. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.